Welcome to Gary Auto Care. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have Alfa and Romeo. This vehicle has a problem with transmission. Reverse. Right now the lever is on reverse. Look at the dashboard. The neutral is flashing. Right now is on the drive. Look at the dashboard. It's still flashing the neutral. So I'm going to scan this vehicle using my Dark Zone software so that we identify the main fault code. I'm sorry, I'm doing this work at night, so I'm sorry for that. And transmission. So the first thing is transmission. Read code. The code is P0856, which is brake system. Then P294D, which is electro pump stack. Then P294C, which is electro pump feedback. So as I told you, this vehicle is not engaging, so the main fault code is P294D, which is electro pump signal. Now brake system control module gear shift invalid. We are going to clear that. So this is the main fault code. After trying to clear the fault code, it's still, see, it's flashing the gear light, see, on reverse. As confirmed, still flashing neutral. On drive are still flashing on neutral. Even the gear light is flashing. So here we are going back. I'm going to show you how to solve that. So here is some hack tricks. The first one is I'm going to make sure all the fuses are okay. But look, everything's intact. This is the fuse box. I'm going to use star. We have 2 screws. This is the first screw. Then this is the second screw. This is the fuse box. Yes, this is the fuse box. So I'm going to make sure all the fuses are okay. Finally, we got a problem. This fuse 20 is a yellow one. This fuse is for electrical pump and it's not intact. I think the problem with this vehicle is this fuse. This fuse is not intact. I'm not going to assume anything. I'm going to confirm all fuses. I need to make sure all the fuses are okay, but because I found out the problem is the fuses, so I need to confirm all of them. The yellow 20 is the culprit. So see, I think all fuses are okay and they're intact. So the main problem, I'm 100% is that fuse. So after that, I'm going to disconnect the battery, the negative terminal, so to drain the power from ECU. Then I'm going to return back that terminal. So I'm going back to scan again this vehicle. After scanning this vehicle like this, read, we still have those previous fault code, so I'm going to clear that fault code. Okay, so we still have P0856. I'm going to clear it to re-clear. So right now we don't have any fault code. Let me confirm. See, it's on the parking. So let me shift into reverse. Correct, it's working perfect. Drive, neutral, neutral, then drive. See on the dashboard, drive. So the main problem with this vehicle was the loose fuse, the yellow fuse with the 20 amps. See, the vehicle is working perfect. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. subscribe.